guys to another video. Sorry for the lighting. This is going to be a 2-minute video explaining about Sunny. Meet Sunny.
Hi.
I know it's pretty hard to see him as these lights are on, but yeah. So this is Sunny. He is 7 years old. He is a rescue dog. He got so there's a boyfriend and beating up their wife, and she only got 3 dogs out, and there was many more dogs, but he was one of the 3 dogs that got rescued. Got into a foster thing, and a week ago today, we picked him up, and Bear and him, Bear was like, oh, blah, 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 yippee, yippee.
Well, what the hell?
And now they're getting along, and that's really the story about Sunny, and hey, Sunny, no. And he can't lick, his, no squares, so, yeah. Hi, Sunny. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting, because, yeah, so this is Sunny. This is the first time he was on a short, but this is the first time that he's ever made a full video on the channel. So, you probably noticed him from the video of I've changed my profile picture to Sunny. So that's probably where you've seen him from. And yeah, well, this is Sunny. We're going to be ending the video, so like, subscribe, click the notification, and like for Sunny, because Sunny's awesome. And I might, because he's going to the vet Tuesday, so I might record some of that driving to the vet and seeing what's with him. And we're going to see how it goes on Tuesday. I will also have another video coming out Monday around this coming up week about a bus. I'll tell you more about that on Monday or whenever. And then I mentioned it on a short on the 8th of June that I had my school's out, so that means I'll have more videos about Sunny, Bear, and more fun activities. And yeah, that's basically what I have to say in this video. And do all this stuff, and have a good day. Peace.